I got this for 25 cents at the thrift store, the church thrift store. And kind of funny the words. And it's $5 back then. Made in USA. And then I got this, another one, is Arizona member, I think. Anyway, that's American flag. So I think they're like, I don't know, this is kind of vintage magnet. And I got this free 4-piece. So this is a magnet. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I need to clean up first. And this is the one before, the one I got 4 magnets. I got for 25 cents, but I like this one. It's like a jeepney. And it's like seashell thing. Mother pearl or something. But anyway, see you later.